way you move, sit, stand and walk can give you a better understanding that who you are, what kind of person you are. All the people in the world can express certain type of body language. Yes, today in this video I will be discussing about 4 types of body languages which are prevalent in the human beings, and by this way you will come to know about what kind of personality, what kind of body language you are having and what kind of body language other people are having. So do watch this video till the end and be a part of Rohit Gupta Rohankit, and thanks for your support which I am getting in the form of your queries and suggestions.
September we met, I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hello friends, this is Rohit Gupta. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Rohit Gupta Rohankit. Thanks for being a part of Rohit Gupta Rohankit. And today in this video I will be discussing about 4 types of body language. As I have already told you, I will be discussing 4 types of body languages which are there in human beings. Before starting the video, I have a request that people who haven't subscribed for my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications for my upcoming videos which are related with body language, personality development, lifestyle and motivation. All people express their body language in one or the other 4 ways which I will be telling you. The first way is a light and bouncy movement. Second is soft and fluid movement. Third, a dynamic and determined movement. Fourth is precise and bold movements. Now these are the 4 categories of body language. Now you have to see yourself, you have to judge yourself in which category you are falling in, or you are into the mixed category of every type of body language depending on the situations. Now each of these movements have different meanings and they coincide with one of your energy level also. So let's have a look to the 4 types of body languages so that you can understand its meaning. You may see yourself in the mix of these types of body languages, but which one stands out predominantly to you only? You have to look at that part. So have a look over all types of body language. Now first type of energy is upward light and animated energy. Now in this type of energy level, you walk with a buoyant, bouncy spring in your steps. You sit and stand with a lot of movements, shifting your positions often. You can appear to be restless and fidgety to others as you do not like to sit and stand still. You have a continuous movement over the body. You cannot stand still focusing on one thing only for a very long time. You often sit with your legs crisscrossed and very comfortably you want to sit on the floor. That means you show yourself to others as restless and fidgety person. Type 2 energy is fluid, flowing and soft. Now what this energy means to human beings, what type of body language they will be having. Now these kind of people will have a smooth, graceful walk. They will be taking longer steps, keeping their feet close to the ground. There is no bounce in their step, rather fluid flowing and smooth walk is there. These people sit and stand in the shape of S. That means curved or relaxed bend. They are very relaxed person, holding their heads to the side. So these are the people who are having type 2 energy, fluid flowing and smooth. Now type 3 energy is active, reactive and substantial body language. That means these people are having activeness in their body, in their movements. These people walk with the determination in their steps, with the firm plant of your feet, quick and brisk. Everyone can hear these people coming and everyone can feel about the movements they are doing while sitting, while standing, due to their deliberate movements. These people create angles while sitting and while standing. They make postures, legs crossed, one leg pulled up under them, head cocked to the side, hands on their waist or bending their body at the waist. These are certain type of body language which these people will possess. Active, reactive and substantial people. Type 4 energy is bold, constant and still. These people like to walk upright, still and stately manner. with little movements in their limbs and in all over the body. These people sit upright with straight posture, feet close to the ground, straight, hands folded or hanging over the sides. These people sitting in standing posture could be called as proper formal look. Most of the runway models represent the type of energy that is energy level 4. Naturally erect, poised and structured in their movements with straight shoulders and perfect movements. So these were the 4 levels of energy which everybody should. So these are the 4 levels of energy which everybody possess. Now you all have to identify under which category, under which energy level, under which body language type you are falling in. So if you like this video, do give me thumbs up, give me feedback in my comment section how you like this video. Share this video as much as you can with your friends and family and in all your Facebook and WhatsApp group, so that everybody should be aware about their energy level as well as about their body type, body language type. Give me feedback in my comment section how you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit bell icon. Till then, have a nice day. Good day.